Hey y'all, welcome back to John Boat Rescue. Out here on the shop on the Tracker 17. Just finished up the wiring. Had to build a harness for this thing. Spent 13 hours building the wire harness, but got it all wired up and all tested several times. Everything works. Of course, you don't see the Riptide 101 trolling motor on the back yet, but I tested the circuits and everything's good there. I got power where it needs to be. So, but I just want to give an update on the wiring. I need to clean it up a little bit more, but that's where it's at right now. 13 hours and 300 feet of wire. Fun. Anyway, just want to give a quick update on that for now. And as always, thanks to all my loyal fans and followers. We really appreciate y'all. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.